Hi guys, this is Pacifico. We have developed a game called MATHOPHOBIA. This game mainly centers around weeding out the fear of mathematics from the young minds. The game impact would be to prove that there is a fun way to learn and understand mathematics easily. The target audience of the game is around students of 6 to 10 years old, and there are basically 4 sections in this game like basic maths, comparisons, geometric shapes and angles.
The scenario of the game is that a player is trapped in a school called MATHOPHOBIA and the player has to complete the task given in order to escape from the school. The rules of the game is that the next level gets unlocked as soon as the player finishes the present level. The player has to finish the given task in a given time frame in seconds. Coming to the section of the game, the basic math level come across the basic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The player must count the barriers present on the screen and the player has to answer it. The difficulty increases as we go to higher level. For every session, there will be a funny level which gets unlocked as soon as finish the task. In the next session, the complete level undergoes with comparisons. Here, it involves with numerical values and the symbols namely greater than, less than and equal to. In higher level, the mathematical expressions are to be compared with each other. Finally, to unlock the door, the player has to arrange the numbers and expressions in an order.
Coming to geometric shapes section, the game has a little logic too. The shapes are shown and their properties like number of sides, vertices are posed as questions. In higher levels, the shapes are given like shown there. There's a missing block in that, and we have to fill up those smaller blocks here. So you have to fill up these smaller blocks in these spaces here. So you get a complete picture here. So next, coming to the angles thing, the game involves basic shapes like circles and right angle triangle and equilateral triangle, etc. So we have to find the angles in that. So basic level has things like this, and in the higher levels we have every theorem, fact, rule is explained through such active examples. In higher levels, the player has to undergo and complete a challenge like if he finds the angle not given there, then he can't cross the door. When he finds the angle, the door gets opened and he can pass through. And the rules of the whole game is that you have to complete every challenge within the given time limit. And every section also has a fun level included, and the level of difficulty is higher as the player progresses. So, and then the added point is that if the question is completed before half of the given time frame, then the player acquires bounty points. And another added special feature to this game is that it has a freakishly funny level, and the player has to collect points throughout the game. Every level he has some points or extra points he has to gain. If he gains those things, it will be very much useful in the special feature, and this acts as a surprise element in this game. So this freaky fun level is the most interesting thing in this game. And so thank you all, and this is MATHOPHOBIA from Pacifico.